Good morning, Mother.
Good morning, daughter.
Hindi ko po nakita si Mamang kasi I was with my daughter over the weekend. Monday, today. Diba, Mother? Kaririin mo, kagigising mo lang.
Yeah, we are happy.
What did you do?
We went out to eat with Carol and Crystal and family.
Ijay, agpunas ka dyan ni Ijay. Wipe your hand there on the towel. So what did you do? Ito po yung bathroom ni Mamang, ha? Punong-puno ng mga kung ano dyan. So what did you eat? Where did you guys eat?
No, I didn't eat yet.
No, on yesterday, on the weekend.
Yesterday a lot. We went to sushi buffet.
Nag-sushi kayo.
We ordered what we want.
Kasi.
A lot.
Kanya pa kinarami, Jo. Ano pang ginawa nyo?
But Kati is not there. She work.
Sinong artikadwayo? Sinong mga kasama nyo?
Crystal, her two kids, Carol and Shane and me.
What else did you do then? Nag-shopping kay pa eh.
After eating, we went to Walmart and shop.
So what did you buy?
Carol bought me Ensure.
The insure mo nga ro din.
Ensure.
Naka-insure na po si Mamang.
And one blouse.
Again, you bought another clothes again. You have so many clothes.
Yeah, another blouse again. Then after Walmart, we went again to another store, ice cream.
Nag-ice cream kay kadway man na Crystal. Sina Crystal na naman.
Shane and Carol, Crystal and two kids, and me. We went to eat ice cream again.
Oh, that's good. So you have a good weekend, huh?
After that, we finished eating ice cream. They bring me home.
Signan niyo po, okay pa yung kanyang memory niya kasi if Mamang is sleep well, she has a good memory, right, Mother?
Yeah, I sleep well. I just wake up. Somebody knock my door and then I wake up.
Somebody, maybe you are dreaming. I didn't knock your door.
Yeah, maybe Dr. Greg knocked the door.
No, the cat knocked your door. The cat. Anyway po, let's continue later. You will be singing later, okay? For your fans.
Do you enjoy with your daughter, Ashley?
We have a great time. I have a great time with my daughter. My daughter is doing very well. I had a great time with her over the weekend. Okay, to be continued, mga kaibigan. Di ba, Ma'am? We'll vlog you later.
Okay, I will continue later and sing. Okay?
Mamang, ano ang ginagawa mo?
Naglilinis ako.
Tignan nyo naman yung kanyang panglinis. Ano yan? Hindi naman broom yan eh. Meron naman tayong broom. Bakit yan ang ginagamit mo? Pahinga tayo ta. Tignan nyo, nagka-busy-busy siya kasi it's very sunny today, ha? Maganda?
Yeah.
But, on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it will rain.
Yeah.
Will rain ka, no?
1 million.
Na? No, it will rain. Nagtudo. Uulan. Uulan
Mamaya?
Sa Miyerkules, Webes, Biyernes.
Oo, Ronis ngayon.
Tignan nyo yan, si Mamang Kaawa naman. Itong pagkabisihan mo, bakit hindi mo kasi palitan yung sinelas mo? Na? Andito po ako sa bahay, nagtrabaho kasi nag-iisa. Ayan po yung pinutol ng asawa ko yan. Kasi yung gardener namin, dapat paputol natin yan sa gardener natin, Hindi, paputol ko nga to. Hindi nila pinuputol eh. Ang dami-dami na Ayan, dami na ng bunga yung kanyang kumquat. Ano yan? Kumquat? At tapos bubunga na naman yung kanyang suha. Suha ni Mamang to, ha? Apay, dalawa naman, Mamang, ang suha mo.
Wala na yung eggplant.
Yung eggplant niya last year, last
Hindi pa nagbigay ng bunga.
Nagbunga naman, Tapos, yung papalitan na natin. Bibili na tayo. Anong binili nyo kahapon sa, bumili kayo ng kamatis? Ni Mamang, ala. O, ayan yung host niya, o. Maupo ka muna. Upo. She will sit down first. Oh, naupo ka na, oh. Pagod. Ganyan na si Mamang. Tignan nyo naman
Napagod
po.
na ako. Naglilinis.
O, ano na ngayon ang ano mo gagawin mo mamaya? Maganda yan, exercise. Kasi po, twice or 3 times sa ano ako, hindi dito ko sa bahay para makita-kita ko siya. Kasi wala siyang kasama eh. Oh. Hindi na magpalit ng sapato, ng sinelas.
Hindi, ililinis ko dyan, mamaya.
Nilinisan mo mamaya. Ang gardener, pipick up yan. Pipick up po yan, yung gardener. Pupunta sila in 2 days. Oh, anong kakantahin natin ngayon para sa mga fans mo?
I can stop loving you.
Oh, yan na si Mamang. Oh. Go.
I made up my mind to live in memory of lonesome times. I can stop wanting you. It's useless to say. So I'll just leave my heart and dreams of yesterday. Those happy hours that we once knew, though long ago, still make me blue. I can stop wanting you. It's useless to say. Kadado tabungan na kanta.
Ala, ituloy.
Ayan da.
Ituloy mo ah.
Kadado.
It's useless to say. Kamo tapos na wala na. Buti na ang tatandaan pa niya.
I can stop wanting you. It's useless to say. So I'll just leave my heart and dreams of yesterday. Those happy hours that we once knew, though long ago, still make me blue. I can stop wanting you. It's useless to say. So I'll just live my life in dreams of yesterday.
Hey, Princess King. Where are you?
Tikiting, king, 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 king.
Oh, kining. Say hello, Mamang. Kita taman di sa kam apinan ano?
You're not fat, okay?
Hindi nasugat yung paa mo?
Aan, kastanang ay nala ni Greg. Madita may saka na.
Sika, tikunak.
Ha?
Tita sakam.
Wala ano sa saka kawan.
Anyati ko na, anong sasabihin mo sa mga viewers mo? Mamang?
Thank you, mga brewers. Viewers, thank you. Please give me some more
Views.
views and recreation, especially in our backyard.
Recreation. Give me some more. Ala, kasano na dyan English? Paano yun?
I used to rest in our backyard.
Yes,
Sit down
dito po siya.
in the
Kasi
chair.
medyo, today is not too cold and there is a sun. Kaya lumabas po siya. Hindi naman nagpantalon. Hindi ka naman nagpantalon. Oh, yan yung pantalon na. Bakit nakatupi?
No, because I clean.
Oh my God.
Sorry,
Kumain ka na, let's go eat lunch na.
Nakatupi.
Mangan kan?
Nangalpasa ka na kadagsapan na.
Ano tasindam?
Kape.
We're talking itneg po. That's not Ilocano, but that's we're talking itneg. The katutubo language of our area. Ano?
Yeah.
Ala, but
I drink my insure.
pwede ka panmangan nga ro dun.
No, I'm not hungry. I eat past 9 o'clock.
Okay. It's 12 o'clock right now. It's lunchtime. Para po ang nagtatrabaho po ako, bumaba lang ako. So hello, say bye to everyone. Say hello and bye to everyone.
Yeah, thank you, viewers. Thank you.
I love you
I
all.
love you with all my heart and soul.
Tignan niyo po nanay ko.
I love you
Parang
with all my
Chinese.
heart.
She has a
With all my
Spaniard.
heart and soul.
She has a Spaniard blood. Di ba, Mang? Lulukas
Thank you,
to.
viewers. And if I will go to the casino, you let me win $1 million.
Ala, ano naman mananalo ng milyon yan? Si Mother loves to sing, loves to, malamig-lamig na
I love you,
Mamang,
viewers. I love
baka
you very much.
uulan na.
Hindi.
Okay.
Ganyan lang.
Say bye-bye na. You wave na.
Bye-bye, viewers.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Salamat
you very
po,
much.
ha. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. O, tingnan nyo naman
very
ako.
good.
Diyos ko po.
I
Ano
hope
ba
and
yan?
pray that you will be very good. Happy. Good health, strong body and healthy.
Okay, God bless you all.
God bless you all, viewers.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.